Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Ito po ay yung updated list ng mga schools na mayroon ng PBB 2023. Tingnan po natin. Lawig National High School, Banawi National High School, meron na po kayong PBB 2023. Ito pa, yung Division of Calbayog City. More than 134 qualified officials po yan. More than 2.6 million pesos. Ito pa, Division of Samar. Meron na rin silang 2.3 million pesos para 139 qualified officials and employees. Ito pa, Division of Catbalogan City. More than 2 million pesos. Meron na po silang notice of cash allocation para sa PBB. Kasama ang Division of Bacolod City 2.009 at Division of Bago 1.69 million pesos para sa kanilang PBB 2023. Ito, meron na rin sa Division of San Carlos City, Division of Escalante City, Division of Silay City, Division of La Carlota City, Division of Sagay City, Division of Victoria City, Division of Himamaylan City, Division of Sipalay City, Division of Cadiz City, Division of Cabancalan City, Division of Negros Occidental. Congrats po sa inyo. Meron na rin para sa Division of Apayao, nako, 27.8 million pesos. Ito pa, Conero Central National High School, more than 600,000 pesos. Ito pa, Apayao National Industrial and Agricultural High School, Flora National High School, meron na kayong PBB. Ito pa, Pine City National High School, Baguio City National High School, Irican National High School, Rojas National High School, Magsaysay National High School, Gisad Valley National High School, Division of Baguio City, Milan National High School, Bacod National High School, Buguias National High School, Camora National High School, Lao National High School, Tublay School of Home and Industries, Atok National High School, Governor Badudawa Agro-Industrial School, Alejo M. Pacalso Memorial National High School, La Trinidad National High School, Kibungan National High School, Mankayan National High School, Amposingan National High School, Lipanta National High School, Benguet National High School. Okay mga ka-Jesnabs, yun lang po muna yung update natin sa Notice of Cash Allocation para sa Performance-Based Bonus. Bye-bye po. Pakisubscribe kung hindi nyo pa ito nagagawa. Bye-bye.